I've never been able to get over the idea of us. I'm still crazy about you.
Yo, so if you have been watching this channel for like any length of time, you'll definitely recognize Amy. She's been in like 3 of my videos now, I think. But yeah, we always have a great time shooting together. Like, we just connect on a vibe, and yeah, this time was probably the best one we've done. I'm so stoked on it.
My name is Amy, and you can find me at monomypics on Instagram. And Arthur's asked me to talk to you guys about a beach shoot that we did. I literally just stumbled across it with a friend after work, and Arthur's now moved into that area, so it was a good excuse for a catch-up. We ended up with like a bridal, editorial, grungy look. Photographers would always ask for like a plain white dress for this, for that. I never really got around to buying one, and eventually, finally got one and was able to take some shots with it.
It was a very like grey and gloomy day. Like, it was literally raining just before that. So when I was trying to expose it, I would naturally go a little bit brighter and go for that like super washed out look. But then I kind of wanted to bring it back a little bit, because that's so hard to kind of fix in post when everything's like super white and it's got like this kind of bridal look to it, and I didn't want to do that. I wanted to go a bit more gloomy, and so I probably underexposed more than I should have. But yeah, I really like the way a lot of these shots turned out in the end.
One of my favourites is me stretched out with my hair in all different directions. Kind of looks like an ethereal mermaid princess. The others that I really like is we have some really nice white historical buildings in the background, and I'm just underneath with a nice green wall. Green because of seaweed, yes, but I just think that adds that extra edge, and they look so polished and lovely.
We shot the main part of the beach for like maybe 30-40 minutes, I don't know. And I could see in the distance there was like this, I don't even know what to call it. A lot of that part of London has a lot of remains from where the docks used to be in East London back in the day. So they're just like old bits of piers and docks and shipping yards and that kind of stuff. So I think this is what this was. But either way, it looks super cool. So I was like, we need to find a way to like enter that area. And luckily we made it like just in time as the tide was coming in. We had like probably like a meter or 2 of like beach left before like the tide was like literally coming in. These last few were so cool. It's got like almost a horror movie-esque kind of vibe to it. So I was super happy to get some shots like that, because I'm just really trying to push myself to do really different stuff now. Like, I'm actually kind of bored of just the kind of standard stuff. I want to do some like cool wacky stuff that's kind of out there but still not like super crazy, still like very cool and fashionable. But I don't know, it's like a weird kind of cross section that only I have in my head. But yeah, I think this stuff is cool, but it's also not like kind of the basic vanilla stuff that maybe I've done in the past.
Oh, hey. Uh-oh. Okay, let's bounce.
I've overall, love working with Arthur. Really chill guy. We just kind of like vibe, we go along, we take shoots, we make jokes, and yeah, recommend anyone working with him. So yeah, if you guys happen to find that beach in the middle of London, definitely take some shots.
All in all, this was a great success with this shoot. My bag was the main casualty. Like, it was absolutely disgusting at the end, but it was worth it. Our clothing and our gear and our equipment, they all have to sacrifice sometimes for the greater good of the amazing images that we try and get. Hope you enjoyed this video. I'm going to leave some links and cards up to other shoots that I've done with Amy in the past if you want to see. We've done a laundrette, we did Eccleston Yards, and we did the Selfie Factory, which is really cool. So yeah, check out all of those videos because they're really fun to do. And as usual, the link to all the images is in the description below, so you can view all of those in high res. Thank you guys so much for watching this. I will see you in the next video. Too sweet.